I think I usually like telling investors that I speak to, right? The first thing that you need to understand about real estate investments is that it's a long-term game.
Okay.
Right? Again, Vuka offers a target return of 11% per annum. Again, over a 10-year holding period. This is based on a target of 7% of dividends and a target of 4% of capital appreciation. Again, it does not mean it's a guaranteed return, unlike probably other investments you've ventured into. It also does not mean that year on year you will get 11% per annum. This return is simply an average over a 10-year holding period.
Yes.
So, as is with real estate in the market today, if you venture into that apartment in Kilimani, for example, you don't expect to sell it 6 months or 1 year down the line and gotten 11% return or 18% return, right? Again, you get a lot of questions of, but rather invest in real estate and get 18% per annum. And one thing I like to make very clear, right? Real estate in Kenya is a highly unregulated field, right? So you've seen, if you go in real estate chasing the returns, right? Someone tells you they'll give you 20%, 16%, and you clearly don't understand how they're making that money, right? What it means is that you will enter into this investment. Year one, you'll probably get a return, you'll get excited. So you'll end up putting in more money because you're chasing returns, and at some point, it just busts. Then you lose out on your investments, and now you will consider real estate as a bad investment. So for us, we usually like saying that we're the first to offer a regulated real estate investment.